Hello, I'm Maciek, and in this video I'll show you how to integrate an OpenAI assistant into your website using OpenWidget. You are probably aware of OpenAI and its popular GPT models. But first, let me introduce OpenWidget, our tool that enhances your website by building better customer relations. With OpenWidget, you can boost sales with social proof, like Google reviews, offer personalized product recommendations, promote your brand with your latest Instagram posts, and provide customer support. Let's get back to OpenAI. When integrated with OpenWidget, you can enhance your customer support with a minimal effort in a cost-effective way. Let's look at an e-commerce shop demo where OpenAI bot assists customers. In the bottom left corner, a floating button activates the OpenWidget. Our widget can be easily added to any site. The bot responds based on FAQ information, making customer interaction more convenient than reading through extensive articles. Let's see how to use it for your purposes. We will cover creating an OpenAI assistant, writing instructions for it, providing it with text data, generating API key to connect with OpenWidget. To use OpenAI assistants on your website, you need to install OpenWidget. The process is easy and we have plenty of tutorials to help you go through it. You can find instructions in the description down below. Let's begin by creating our bot on the OpenAI platform. Go to the Assistant tab and click Create. Fill in the necessary information in the side panel, including naming your assistant and writing a clear, precise prompt. For our e-commerce example, the prompt should instruct the bot to act as a support bot, prioritizing information from the attached file. Note that higher versions of the model will provide better answers, but they may increase response times. Once we have the model and prompt set up, we can add a file with information that our assistant can easily access when chatting with customers. In my case, I'm going to use questions and answers from the FAQ section on my demo website. I will copy all the text and paste it to a blank document to save it as a text file. Switch the retrieval toggle on and we're ready to use our bot in OpenWidget. But before that, we're going to need an API key. To create a new key, go to the API Keys tab and click Create New Secret Key. Once it's created, click the Copy button and head to the OpenWidget app. Open the Assistant section and paste your API key, then click Connect. Pick the correct assistant and finish the installation. That's it! We have successfully added OpenAI Assistant to the website with OpenWidget. I hope you found this video helpful. Visit openwidget.com to see how it works live. Thanks for watching.